Hey there! Want to unlock the mysteries of your brain in just 2 minutes? Let's dive into the fascinating world of neurons. First, did you know your brain contains around 85 billion neurons? That's 85 billion tiny powerhouses working together. So, what exactly is a neuron? Simply put, it's a nerve cell and the primary functional unit of your nervous system. Think of it as a messenger delivering important information. Now let's break down the structure of a typical neuron. We've got the dendrites, those branch-like extensions that receive info from other neurons. They pick up signals using receptors that latch onto neurotransmitters. Next, the soma, or cell body, holds the nucleus, which contains the cell's DNA. It processes the signals received by the dendrites. If the signal is strong enough, it heads to the axon hillock. The axon is a long, slender projection covered in myelin, an insulating substance that keeps the signal strong. The signal, known as an action potential, travels down this axon highway. Finally, we reach the axon terminals or synaptic buttons. When the action potential arrives, neurotransmitters are released into the synapse, the gap between neurons. These neurotransmitters interact with the dendrites of the next neuron, and the process starts all over again. And there you have it. Neurons in a nutshell. Amazing, right? Keep exploring, keep questioning, and who knows what else you'll discover about the incredible brain. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more brainy bites. Thanks for watching.